Hello viewers and learners, welcome again to today's lesson. This is Form 3 Mathematics under Mixtures. And before we begin, for those who are watching our channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, hit the bell below so that anytime we do a video like this, you will automatically be notified. Now back to the question, which is on mixtures. This is a topic that deals with the ratio in which two or more components will be mixed to produce the desired blend or result. Let us go straight to our question number 1 so that we can easily know what are the mixtures and how we deal with questions that come from this section. The question reads, 3 types of tea leaves costing 26 shillings, 28 and 32 shillings per packet are mixed in the ratio 1 to 3 to 5 respectively. Find the cost of the mixture per packet. When you have been given the ratio in which these 3 types of tea are mixed, the ratio represents the number of packets for each brand. It means the packet that was costing 26 bob, we bought 1 packet, then 3 packets for the one costing 28 and 5 packets for the one costing 32 shillings. So to get the total cost, let us have the solution. To get total cost, we are going to have the first type was costing 26 and we bought 1 packet, plus the second type was costing 28 shillings, we bought 3 packets, and the last one was costing 32 and we bought 5 packets. And if you do, this one is 26 plus 28 times 3 is 84 plus 32 times 5. 32 times 5 is going to give us 160, and the total cost for the 3 types is going to be 26 plus 84 plus 160, which is going to give us 270. That is the total cost of the mixture, but we are supposed to find the cost of the mixture per packet. For us to find the cost of the mixture per packet, we need to calculate or know the total number of packets. And to get the total number of packets, we have 1 packet for the one costing 26, 3 packets for the one costing 28, and 5 packets for the one costing 32, and the total number of packets are going to be 9. Then from there we can get the cost per packet. The cost per packet is going to be equal to the total cost, which is Kenya shillings 270. We divide by the total number of packets, which is 9, and this gives us shillings 30 per packet, and that is the answer to that question. Going to our question number 2. In what proportion? A proportion is a ratio. So in what ratio should grades of sugar costing 45 shillings and 50 shillings per kilogram be mixed in order to produce a blend that will cost 48 shillings per kilogram? Here we are supposed to find the ratio. This is very simple. Since we have 2 grades, let us assume that we have grade A and a grade B. Grade A costs 45 shillings per kilogram. Grade B costs 50 shillings per kg. What we need to know is, we do not know the number of kilograms of A that were bought, and therefore we assume we bought X kilograms, and we do not know the number of kilograms for B that were bought, so we assume that we bought Y kilograms of B. So to get the total cost, that is the cost price is going to be equal to X kilograms of A times each 45 will give us 45X plus we bought Y kilograms of B and each was 50, so the total cost for B would be 50 times Y, which will give us 50Y. Then from there, we need to know the total number of kilograms that were bought. So number of kilograms bought will be equal to, we bought X kilograms of A, we also bought Y kilograms of B. For us to find the cost per kg of the mixture, we are going to talk about the total cost, which is 45X plus 50Y, you divide by X kilograms plus Y kilograms. And this is what is required to produce a blend that is going to cost 48 shillings. From here, since this is a fraction, we can make this one a fraction, then from there we cross multiply. If you take 1 times 45x, you are going to get 45x, then 1 times 50y, you get 50y, and this is going to be equal to 48 times x, you get 48x, plus 48 times y, you get 48y. From there, we are going to collect the like terms. This is 45x, this is 48, 50y, 48y. So I'm going to maintain 50y here so that we bring 48 here. And 48 being a positive, once it crosses the equal sign, the sign changes. This must be equal to 48x here. Then we move 45, it is going to be a negative, that is 45x. 50y minus 48y will give us 2y, and this is equal to 48x minus 45x, you are going to get 3x. Then from there, we are going to make sure that the letters are together and those numerals are together. So what we are going to do, we can divide this by 2 such that this and this one goes. Our y is going to be equal to 3x over 2 here. If we want now to move x again, we divide here by x such that this and this goes. And in this case, our y over x is going to give us 3 out of 2. Remember, that is a ratio as a fraction, but if we are supposed to simply have our x kilograms to our y kilograms, we are going to have x as 2 and our y as 3. So the ratio of grade A to grade B will be actually in the ratio of 2 to 3, and that is how that question is supposed to be done. Anyway,